amount of money, and the repair's going to be right. Everybody has a comeback every so often. It's happened to the best technicians I know, even myself, and it does happen. But we don't. It's not intentional, but sometimes it does happen. It's something that does happen every so often. So, but I always double, triple check my work because I don't want any problems in the long run. I want the customer to be happy. I want them to know the value of the service, and to me, it's just very important. Because just doing those little extra things is usually going to prevent the comeback. So,
I think as long as the problem gets fixed, kind of like what you already said, the vehicle gets fixed and you treat them right, and it's affordable, and it's not the price isn't through the roof, they're always going to be happy.
Right, and that's why.
Oh, and being nice too. You know what I mean? You can't be mean, and stuff like that, because no one wants to deal with somebody that's mean.
No, absolutely. And like I said to you before,
well, when you and I were younger, we used to deal with mean people, but we don't have to anymore when it comes to mechanics. But we've been there, we've done that,
Yep, and a lot of it I actually wanted to become a technician because I wanted to do it myself, So, and then people I know, relatives, friends, stuff like that, I wanted to fix their cars. So, and it ended up being like that. And good, it's good karma, and that's what I believe in, good karma. But let's give this a shot, Eric, and see what we got here.
Let me go on the other side.
Sure. Thanks, bud.
Ain't no problem.
Okay, so see if we notice any skipping, any fluctuations.
Well, the seatbelt and the door light will go off, but that other one, that's just because I have a tire low problem.
Okay. Well, let's do this. We'll walk up to the shop. I'll put the tools up in there, and then I'll put the tools back on the box and stuff. We'll take this for a quick jaunt up the street. I'll actually be Joe the cameraman, and you'll be me for a couple of minutes test driving the car, and we'll see how this fix went. If we have some of the same problems you experienced before, we know that the coil pack that we replaced is in fact in the wrong location. So we still got something going on in there. So let's do that. Let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna put these guys back, and we'll switch. All right, guys. 1 second. Let me just grab this. You can't be driving with that. All right, so put these guys back. All right, and I'll take over, Eric.
Here you go, buddy.
Okay, bud, so you close up. Yep.
All right, sounds good.
So you close up, man.
Hey, pretty soon, everybody, I'm going to have a big announcement on Joe's channel, but it probably won't be for like another week, but I'm going to have my own YouTube channel too. And then Joe, when I have my channel, Joe's gonna be my cameraman.
You know it, man. I'm gonna give you a big
so
shout out.
everybody knows, and when that comes, we'll let you know what that is.
All right, guys. We're going for a test drive. We're gonna check out to see. We're gonna check out to see the drivability of this truck. We're gonna see if we notice any difference, improvements, or anything got worse. Because sometimes things will get worse. So we're gonna see if any of these drivability conditions disappear.
It seems good right now, but I gotta get over 40 before I can tell.
So once he reaches a certain speed, we're gonna notice if things actually change. So, all right. So let's see here. Now he's gonna actually know more of the condition than me right now. So let me put this window up. 1 second. Okay. Alright, he's doing 45 right now, and he's actually I don't actually, so far to me it seems like this truck's running smooth as glass.
Yeah, I made it up to 50, and it's pretty cool.
Made it up to 50. He said he hasn't noticed any of those conditions yet. So far it looks pretty good. Alright guys, a little tour of where we're going here.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Test drive. So we have,
it's fixed.
so far he's thinking we got a confirmed fix here. And so far we got a happy Eric the cameraman so far.
Yes, definitely. See, my vehicle's fixed, and it's very affordable, and I have no complaints. I am happy. Now, how's everybody, if you get a broken vehicle and you don't get it fixed and you're not happy, how are you gonna go out with your wife or your girlfriend, or go fishing, or go away for a few days, or whatever it may be, you know what I mean? You're gonna be happy and get your vehicle fixed, no two ways about it.
Yeah, there's ways that you have to get it done. So, you know, and yeah, with a broken vehicle, a lot of times it can be pretty tough. You know what I mean? So it's you know, it's nice to have a confirmed repair. Definitely nice to have a confirmed repair. So all in all, guys, yeah, this is looking like a pretty good repair. So you know, Eric said originally when he was going over 40 or more that this car was bucking, shaking, stuff like that, and that tells me a lot of times, like I said, it's a misfire. Like I said before, when we scanned it with the two tools, it was a misfire on cylinder 2, which is P0302, which is cylinder 4. Cylinder 2 misfire. So, well, this is running like this, and smooth shifts. I haven't heard any like you know, anything like anything abnormal or anything like that. That's telling me that I think we have a confirmed fix here, and I think we're in pretty good shape.
Yep, we are.
So he's doing 60. He gave me the thumbs up, so I'm thinking we're doing pretty good here.
Yep.
So, all right, guys. I think we're looking pretty good. So I just want to end the video here and just say, I'd say that's a good bingo there. I think we got ourselves a good confirmed repair. So, alright guys, it's Joe Burgess signing off. Please like, subscribe, and definitely comment on my channel. Thanks so much guys, and take care.
And it was nice meeting everybody, and now you know what Eric the cameraman looks like.
Alright guys, see you in the next one.
See ya.